Welcome back. This is Bill Miranda. The show is a Power Woman Business Center program, and I'm here with my co-host, Patricia Gracia, the CEO and founder of the Power Woman Business Center.
Where
Hello, Patricia.
where our members, they have the vision, we add the power.
They have the vision, we add the power.
You have the vision, we add the power.
There you go. And we're here with our guest, Rocio Montagner in English and Montagnier in French.
In French, right.
And there you go. Now, when we took a break, you were talking about some of the things that women need to know to prepare for retirement, to prepare for the older years. Also, because they're in this, many women are in the sandwich generation, they need to know how to take care of their parents as well as their children. My question to you now is, what can women do to better prepare themselves for the challenges they're going to face?
Right. As a woman, first of all, we should get involved in our financial situations. We need to find out what bank accounts we have, what investments we have. The other suggestion I always make to families is to make sure you have a family trust, because, you know, when there's a death in the family, it's so difficult to handle that emotionally, but to also have to worry about what's next with the financial part. You already have designed that as a couple together, a family trust. Together you made the decisions of what you want to happen to this money, what you want to happen to that money. So that part you don't have to worry about, you know, once, you know, that happens in our lives. So definitely to get involved, definitely to go ahead and talk to an estate attorney, have a family trust set up for yourselves. And as a matter of fact, that also gives you some really great tax advantages as well. And that's another thing that, you know, people should look at, because I don't know about you, but do you think taxes are going up or down?
I think they're going up.
Exactly.
I think up, always up.
Exactly.
They will never go down.
Right. So if there's ways that you could go ahead and shelter yourself from taxes, then definitely you have to go ahead and get informed. And again, you know, we women outlive men, so we need to make sure that we are involved in the entire financial situation, because, you know, you don't want any surprises.
So a couple of things. Number one, you mentioned get informed, know where your investments are, know your bank accounts and all those things. Sometimes when a person is married, they kind of defer to the other person to take care of everything. And so if that other person leaves us, then we're stuck because we don't have the knowledge. So when you say make sure you're informed, you're talking about not only bank accounts, but you're talking about investments, you're talking about passwords.
Right. Yeah, life insurance policies.
Yeah, but also passwords to your computer, and you know, lots of us now we keep all our information on a computer. Well, you need to make sure that your spouse has access.
Exactly. As a matter of fact, this is kind of funny. Anytime I take a business trip, my husband's like, "Okay, did you update the list?" Because I have a list where we have all of our accounts, the current balances, the passwords to get into all of the accounts, you know, safety deposit box information as well. Just everything, you know, because you never know. I mean, we're constantly traveling. I know Patricia and I are always, you know, taking business trips and leaving the spouse and, you know, the children behind. And we need to make sure that if, you know, any kind of emergency, that they know what's going on. So definitely, and in most cases, it's the man that's traveling and going out, and, you know, we need to make sure that everyone's on the same page, that we're all informed, and again, no surprises.
Absolutely. Now, Rocio, how do we reach you? Because a lot of women listening are going to want to connect with you and ask you a lot more questions than we have time to ask you here. How do we reach you?
You can call me actually directly. My phone number is 661-878-0606. Again, 661 878-0606 y hablo español.
Y habla español.
No, no kidding. I just noticed that. But what an easy number. 878-0606.
Yes.
878-0606. Wait, did you buy that number, by the way?
No.
Or it just came? Wow.
Well, Patricia's in
marketing.
in
and
marketing
that's a
and
pretty good number.
advertising and promotion and publicity.
Easy to memorize.
She will make a jingle out of that, and all
Oh,
of a sudden you'll
wonderful.
your business
876-06. 878.
So,
I love it.
Rocio, what are some of the things that are happening in the Antelope Valley?
Okay, well, right now, I'm sure you're aware that the new president for the Antelope Valley Hispanic Chamber is Isaac Barcelona.
Isaac Barcelona is the new president.
Yes,
He's also
he
one of the founders
is.
of the
Yes,
chamber.
he is. He's one of the co-founders with Sal Tavera. Also, too, he is the district director for our new senator,
Steve
Yes,
Knight.
Steve Knight.
Steve Knight. So it's really exciting. You know, he's very well involved in the community and opens a lot of doors for the Hispanic Chamber as well. So it's just very exciting.
Amazing.
Right, it's very, very exciting. And so we're involved in a lot of many different things. You know, the Antelope Valley Fair is going to be coming in August, and that's really exciting as well. So a lot of good things.
Good. Good. We need to get out to the Antelope Valley more and enjoy that wonderful area over there and the wonderful people that
They
you
have
have
amazing mixers. The
When
luncheons are excellent.
Yes.
there. Yeah, and they had their gala a month ago.
Yeah.
Yes,
the
we
gala,
did. It
yeah.
We had
was
about 400
exciting.
people there.
Yes, we did.
You guys.
It was a little tearjerker for me, but it
And
was
you are
good.
also the padrinos of our Santa Clarita Latino Chamber.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, it was
So
exciting.
good. Thank you, Rocio. Thank you for coming and joining us on this program. We always enjoy having you here. And good luck.
Thank you. Thank
Give
you.
us a
It's
phone
always
number one more
pleasure.
time.
Yes, 661-878-0606.
There you go. Thank you. Patricia, we're going to take a break. When we come back, we're going to talk just you and me.
About all
About
the
lots of things.
amazing events that are coming pretty soon to our community.
You're listening
Lots
to
of
the
fun.
Hometown Station, AM 1220 KHTS.